Little Bubble Toy.
Play and learn.
Dino Egg Dig Kit.
Welcome to Little Pop and Storytime. Hi, today we'll be opening a dinosaur egg.
Okay, this is a Dino Dig Kit. So this is how the dino egg looks. And with this egg comes a tool like this, and Simran has a brush. The Dino Egg Dig Kit comes in a pack of 12, and there are a lot of dinosaurs that you can collect. The link to this product is in the description below. We're going to open up one of these dinosaurs. Before we do that, here is a story on dinosaurs which we'll soon record in our Little Poppin' story time, so look forward to that. And wanted to share this pack here. This is a dinosaur pack which is for the Valentine's or Friendship Day card that you can give to your friends. And Simran has a Triceratops. Do you want to show what Triceratops does? Ooh, you press it.
And I'll show her next time.
And it makes this noise. Ooh. Are you scared, Simran?
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
not.
it's a toy.
Yeah. So let's begin. The Devansh is gonna excavate and open up the dino toy. You just have to scrub. Looks like a chalk actually, right?
Yeah. Okay, rub that off.
And Simran is brushing. Great teamwork, kids.
Wait. Where? You can dig with your mouth.
Give it to her.
You should rub really hard. Really hard. Rub really hard. Really hard. Really hard.
Very good.
And I have to
So Simran, while Devansh is doing that, which dinosaur would you want? Which amongst these?
no, the dinosaur.
You want the T-Rex?
Yeah, the tail.
Or you want this Triceratops?
It will take forever.
Oh, okay.
And kids, don't forget to be careful. Ask your mom and dad if you're a child, because this is a hardwood tool, and if you rub it too hard and you put your finger in between, you might get jammed.
Yeah, so this toy is for kids of age 3 and above. How old are you, Simran? 3.
And I'm 5.
Yeah, and Devansh is 5, so the bigger elder brother is helping more.
Yeah.
But Simran can give a try too. Very good. Nice teamwork. Dinosaur song yesterday. What was that? We are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs.
What do you think of that?
You like that song?
Yeah. I don't. I often tend to sing that. Yeah, because I'm. Yeah, and in my school I do only math work and in my school I do only math work and in my school I do only math work and mathematics and science and all that.
Yeah, because you're in kindergarten and Simran goes to toddler school.
Yeah, that's more fun.
The toddler school is more fun.
I wonder if it's a dinosaur.
Guess what? The dinosaur egg is popping out.
Yep.
It's ready to come out. So
Okay.
Simran, your turn. Can you dig a little
Dig a little.
and bring this out? Uncover the dinosaur.
I think she doesn't eat my nose. Yeah. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, now give me the brush. You can have the tool. Okay, press hard.
Very good, Simran. Oh, I can see the dinosaur.
Let's pull it out.
Oh, it came out. What dinosaur did you get?
A Traposaurus.
Oh, can you show me it close up?
Traposaurus. What's mine?
That's the dinosaur that came out of the egg.
And see, there's another one because there's another big break.
Oh, that's being greedy.
That's mine.
Anyway, was it fun doing this activity?
Yeah.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say roar. Please like and subscribe.